Get ready to immerse yourself in nature. This meditation will help you be more grateful during this pandemic. To get more out of this meditation, use your VR headset. If you don't have one, it's okay. Simply move your phone around to explore. I made this meditation for you to watch, but you can also close your eyes, put on headphones, and just listen. If you want, check out my favorite headsets linked in the description. Let's begin. Get in any comfortable position you want and take a deep breath in. Allow your shoulders to fully relax. Place one hand over your belly to get in touch with your breath. Feeling each inhale and each exhale. Just observe your breath. Don't try to change it. Notice that without doing anything, but just bringing awareness to your breath, you lengthen the inhale and deepen the exhale. Imagine yourself on the most beautiful beach of the exotic island of Mauritius, sitting on the shoreline, almost touching the shallow ocean water. You look around to admire the beautiful coastline filled with palm trees. And in the distance, the breathtaking view of the mountain. Anywhere you look, you see beauty. Start by being grateful of your body, the way you move, your senses that help you experience the world. Breathing in the fresh air, feeling the soft sun hugging your face. Become aware of the sounds around you. You can hear the trickling water, the tropical birds chatting in the distance. You dip your feet in the cool water, gently moving them around, feeling the freshness between your toes. Maybe it reminds you of how playful you were as a child. Inhale and exhale. By starting to be grateful of your own body and senses, grateful for what you are at this moment, you can expand this feeling to anything, to help you accept what's happening. Ask yourself instead, what does this mean to me? Maybe this time of forced perspective helped you consider what really matters to you. Grateful for the extra time you got to spend with your loved ones, your family, your kids, who are growing up so fast. Grateful for the new rituals you've developed during this time, like the simple walk, with cool air, lack of people, and quiet, that helped you process your thoughts and stay healthy. the chance to slow down and be more thoughtful in what you do. Where do you spend your time and energy? And stay home and rest. Breathe in and out. Take a moment and think of 3 things you're grateful for during the quarantine. No matter how hard this is for you, you'll learn new ways of being. Shifting your perspective will change how you see and experience the world. So let the way you want to feel reflect how you live your life every day. We will get through this. Life will return to normal. It may be a new kind of normal, but this will all be a memory one day. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Notice within yourself, is your mind more quiet? Is your breath more smooth? Do you feel refreshed, recharged, relaxed? Now you're ready to take on the rest of your day. Imagine if you did this every single day. Subscribe if you want to feel like this again. You can end your meditation here or take the next few minutes to be by yourself.